when I want to write an equation for a cubic function whose graph passes through the points 3, 0, 1, 18, and is tangent to the x-axis at -2, 0, -2. So that's basically the point, -2, 0, as another root. So my graph would look something like this. Going through this point at 3, 0, being tangent at -2, 0, and passing through 1, 18. Now, tangent here, in this context, is not talking about tangent like SOHCAHTOA tangent, but rather the fact that it is simply going to touch the axis once and then continue back up. So it doesn't go through the point, it kind of bounces there. That is a terrible looking graph, but we don't really need to graph it to write our equation. So when we write our equation, it's y equals a, because there could be a stretch out on this graph, then x minus 3 for this 0, okay? And then I'm going to have an x minus -2, which is basically plus 2. But because he's tangent again, we're going to have squared, because we want it to have an even degree, to have an even multiplicity so that the graph is tangent. Now, we've used this guy, we've used this guy, we haven't used the 1, 18. We're going to use that to help us find out what a is. So we plug in 1 for x and 18 for y to find out what our a is. So 18 equals a times -2 times 3 squared. That'll be 9 times -2, which is -18. Oh, so then a comes out as -1. So my final answer is y equals -x minus 3 squared times x plus 2 squared. All set.